Stana's friend who has been bedridden asked me to be his girlfriend. Like how?
Kusi. Really? What did you say?
No. What did you expect me to say? I mean, he's a sweet guy and all, but I wouldn't love to have that vibe with him. I mean, I actually do not want to have that thing with him at all. After everything he did in front of the whole school.
I understand. Look, Killian, I know it's tempting to joke about it, but please, do not make fun of him or dismiss his feelings. It took courage for him to ask, especially given the situation.
Well, you are right. I wouldn't love to hurt his feelings. You know, I would talk to him about it and let him know how I feel.
That's the spirit. Okay, you need to treat him with kindness, just like you want others to treat you, you know, if you were to be in the same situation.
You always know what is right. Thank you.
That's part of being the big brother, you know. I have to run.
Okay, I'm getting to me.
Sure, I'll see you.
Oh, and just love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shade. Oh, angels love,
Angelos. Vetus Angelos. Vetus Angelos. Spirit of the ancient world, hear my plea. I beseech you to lend me your power to clear Kusi's name from the minds of all who have seen his vulnerability. Grant him the chance to be seen anew, not as the one who stumbled, but as the one who rises. Let his essence shine forth, untouched by yesterday's misfortune. With this offering of sincerity and respect, I ask for your help. May your wisdom and your ancient power guide us through this transformative energy. Thank you, Vetus Angelos, guardian of these poor ones, for your love, grace, and benevolence shall never be forgotten.
You know, once upon a time, there was an angel who wanted to understand the ways of man. So she descended on earth and lived among them.
Really? How did she do it?
She had to let go of her wings to forget everything about divinity in the spiritual realm. She came, lived among them, just like you and I.
I'm sorry, but then why would an angel want to become human?
Why do you feel what you feel within your heart, Irama? To understand and live like humans. To feel what they feel. To feel joy and sorrow. To be loved.
So, could I become human too?
It's within your grasp, Irama. But don't forget, you will have to forget everything about divinity. You will have to forget everything about the kingdom of heaven.
How would it be like?
You will feel their pains. You will feel their joy. You will feel their sorrow. You will come to understand them, live like them, but also you get to grow old with somebody you love.
I want that. I want to be with them, to laugh and to cry with them.
It's all within your grasp, Irama. Just believe. With all your heart.
His soul is one.
Read the book. It will guide you.
I'm fine, I'm okay, yeah. I understand.
No, it is not okay. I should have been more understanding and supportive. And there is something else.
And what is it?
Um, would you like to go on a date with me?
Wait, really?
Yeah, I mean, we can just start something fresh, trying to know each other or something.
Oh, wow, like, I would love that. I would really love that. Really?
Okay, so what about after school? Maybe we can grab some dinner or something.
Killing, it sounds perfect. It sounds perfect.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Like, wait. Killing, just assure me. Are you sure of what you are saying?
I'm very sure. I'm not joking.
Oh, come on. Just let me know you are kidding.
I am not kidding. Let me just pinch you.
Hey. You're making me feel like I'm dreaming. Like
You are my
someone should
angel,
wake me up. Like
my angel, the angel I have loved. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Hey! Who's that here though? It's not a dream. Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
For real? Let's go now. Let's go now.
Oh, I said after school.
Oh no, come on now. Let's go now.
No,
After school. 4:30. I'll be there. Don't worry. I'll be there. I love you. Don't worry, I'll be there. 4:30. 4:30. Don't worry, I'll be there. I'll be there. Don't worry. Ha! 4:30.
Love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame.
So, why did you not tell me before?
I'm sorry, Stana. I got caught up in reading this book. It's fascinating. You should read it.
Okay, fine. Next time, just let me know, okay?
Yes, sir.
At least next time, you come before. I thought when you come to
Hold it, sir. Please sit down. There's something I need to discuss with you.
Can I sit?
Oh, sure. I've been contemplating something. You know, time is not on my side. Day in and day out, I'm growing older. And I believe it's a high time you met your father. Yes.
And you know, I don't want to meet him. What if he rejects me? I mean, I'm not ready for any emotional trauma. I don't want to do that.
My dear, your dad is not a bad man. Sometimes we grown-ups make certain decisions which are inexplicable or is not understandable. But at that time, it might have been the best decision.
You sound so sure about him, really sure. I don't know. He left us. I mean, he left me. But I won't do that. I don't want to say.
My dear, you have to start interacting with your father. He is your father. And he's alive. I cannot begrudge you the love of your father. It is imperative you meet him, okay? Huh?
Maybe. Right now, I don't think I'm ready.
No, you think about it, alright? Time will suit every obstacle. Eh? There's a little courage on your part, okay?
Auntie Eno, do you think Stana will ever want to meet his father?
Like I said earlier, time and some efforts on our part and a little courage on his part will do the deal. It is best. They have to bond as father and son. It's the best because that is where you come in. You have to get his mind attuned to the fact that he has
In
to
the realms
meet
of
his father.
heaven,
Okay?
a love that is so true.
Thank you very much.
Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are meant to come true love, so never leave your side.
Yeah.
Angels love, surrender me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no.
How you're sitting. Floating around like she's better than us. What's up, bro?
Take it now. We're not the one drinking.
Answer us when we are speaking to you.
Hey. Oh, sorry.
Look at this.
Are you here writing love letter to your imaginary
Are you thinking about what
Prince
to say
Charming?
to your Prince Charming? Well.
And what the hell is going on here?
Oh, and look who is here to save his precious Rama.
You girls have no right to treat her like this.
And what's the big deal, Spanner? We're just having fun.
You call this fun? This is bullying, okay? And I won't stand for it. Okay?
Hey, what's the big deal?
I won't stand for it.
We're just having fun, right? Say something.
Are we bullying her?
Akuntanio ko. Hey, boga one. Na ay, start off about kuntabia ma. And what the shop to me? Me disikani nyina egu lolly cash account no so. Oh, you do it. Me best spread mo mamusro. Me be anya afa na me ha me $100 bebre egu me bag mu. Na yakobisa me sesika me de koye den. Ma load ni nyina egu me lolly cash account ni mu. That's right. Enti se me ba be di dwuma bia wo hanom a me tua free mu straight. Hey, baby a lolly cash app ne dru no. Te chere se $1 no egu wallet mu enso wo twade wa Ghana harmu a ense se Mercedes sa pepepe ti se me kwa brochira me sika ni nyina no me load gu me lolly cash account no so abrochira baby a me wo bia no ade bia me pe bia me timi to na app no a convert sika no akọ country ni sika no so na me de adu me dwuma
Inti America, Canada, and Europe countries na lolly cash app no so no sa
app na ngasa be convert akọ say American dollar say Canadian dollar say India for sika e bia app no convert mami enti transaction is simple kra lolly cash app no guy pa account na edisika no etem sa no entetew there be lolly cash account there ye ntew say there bi no ye no ulo dia twumu a bibia nimu no ne ati bibi kakra mi be wie no ma send bi aba momo mu na me dia kontan so dia akon account mu ama no thank you account hold my inking ko enti obia and download the lolly cash app no e wo Google ana Apple Store number start and send sika and mama busha for no munafo no e wa mono ne ba bia lolly cash.
Wait, are we bullying
Hey,
her?
it's enough. Listen to me. You girls don't have the right to talk to her like that, okay?
Okay.
No, treat her like she's less than any of you. And for your notice, whatever you call yourself, Mana and then Juliet or whatever. Listen, I know you girls have feelings for me, okay? I know very well. Read my lips. It would never, ever work, okay? She's the only one I have feelings for. Just her, alone. Just look at them.
Fine. Listen, angels are not meant to harm people or cause them pain. But if you guys continue to hurt the people I love, sweethearts, trust me, our patience will never last long. Shake it. Bring it on.
Take it. This is graceful bin. Have it and go.
Oh, you think
You should take it. Get out of here. Look at you. Hey, Rama, I'm really sorry you had to go through that here.
Thank you for coming through for me. Why did you talk?
It's okay. I just had nothing to say.
No, wait. I've never seen you so passionate before.
Yeah, man, you are like a raging storm. Sometimes I come to
He's all on his one.
Asham your dobi, or dosun kwami shebito. Or the musunko, Yabibo far away in a mammy.
My angel,
Old one.
I can feel and I have seen what you are imagining. I would like to know and I would like to hear from the horse's own mouth. Tell me.
Angel, I
Can I stay here for a little longer? I kinda have a mission to complete.
A mission?
Yes, old one.
Of course, young one. But you should know, time moves differently here. 3 days in human world is all that remains before you must decide.
3 days. But that is not enough time.
It is. It is. It is enough if you focus. If you want to remain human, you must fulfill or complete your mission within that span. Otherwise, you will have a choice.
A choice?
Mm-hmm.
What choice?
Whether to remain human or return to your life as an angel.
I want to stay human. I want to experience more of this life. I'm not going back.
Young one, my angel,
Okay.
remember this. You must keep your true identity hidden from those you love. If they discover who you are, then the choice will no longer be yours.
I understand, old one. I won't let anyone find out.
Good. Good. Now you can go and complete your mission. Let the 3 days count.
But, old one, can't we do anything about the 3 days?
There's nothing we can do. I told you earlier. If you focus, 3 days is enough.
Thank you.
Girl, I'm falling for you. You go feeling too bad, you put a leg in my shoe. I said, killing for you. Girl, I'm falling for you. I don't go take you too lightly, but you don't know who you're for.
Well. Looks like there's love in the air. You see my man, I'm really grateful.
Yeah, it just feels right, you know?
Absolutely. Killing is a good catch, and it was a great catch.
Oh, thank you, Stana. You should find your catch too.
Maybe a Rama or Mwana or...
Yeah, it's okay, it's fine. At least I see. Listen, you both go good together in December. Take off your cap.
Yes, we will.
Thank you, Stana.
Crazy combination. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
I don't want your phone. What they would forward to.
Be alone. From the look of your eyes, I can feel the atmosphere.
I thought you were coming to lie.
It's not a lie. Let's go.